Hi, I'm Susan Bandes, and I'm going to be talking about police accountability and the problem of regulating consent searches. Although the Fourth Amendment appears to tightly regulate the government's right to conduct searches, it operates with a massive loophole: consent searches. These searches don't require a warrant, individualized suspicion, or other Fourth Amendment safeguards. And yet, 9 out of every 10 searches, perhaps even more, are upheld as consent searches. One might well wonder, why do so many people consent to searches when they know they have illegal contraband in their cars or on their persons? One answer is that the Supreme Court has upheld consent searches even when the suspect thought he had no choice but to say yes. The court held that these searches are so important to law enforcement that lack of knowledge of the right to say no isn't enough on its own to invalidate the search. For this symposium, I look at what we know and at how much we don't know about consent searches. I look at the questions of, would law enforcement's ability to do its job be significantly hampered by educating the citizenry about its right to say no? Could police fight crime without relying so heavily on these searches? Do the burdens of these searches fall equally on the citizenry or more heavily on some groups? And most important, how can we collect better data on these questions, and how can we think about solving the problems these data reflect? I argue that local, state, and federal governments all have essential roles to play in fixing this problem.